The situation in many American hospitals is only getting more dire. So we begin our coverage this morning with ABC's Zohreen Shah, who's in Los Angeles. Zohreen, good morning to you.
Good morning, Dan. There were about 300,000 coronavirus cases reported here in the U.S. yesterday. Of course, it is a holiday weekend, so those numbers are still trickling in. But we are here at the epicenter of the virus. Broadcast legend Larry King was brought here to Cedars-Sinai for COVID, according to a source close to the family. Now, he is one of about 7,500 patients hospitalized here in the city that can hardly take on any more. Overnight, the latest grim milestone for the United States. More than 350,000 Americans have died from COVID-19.
We're seeing patients who are coming in with their siblings or their parents, and some of them who are dying alongside their own family members.
Dr. Hakeem, a critical care physician in hard-hit Southern California, has witnessed the Golden State get pummeled by the virus. And overnight, 2 new cases of that more contagious strain of COVID found in Southern California, bringing the state's total to 6. This as infection rates rage out of control.
Before I start the show tonight, I want to share some personal news with you.
Among those sickened, broadcasting legend Larry King. A source close to the family confirming to ABC News he was hospitalized in L.A. this weekend. Many of those recovering have harrowing survival stories.
You know, they talk about that empty chair at the table, and that could have been here. I do have some cognitive fog still. Even just breathing sometimes is hard because I have some lung damage.
And now controversy in the state over who gets help the fastest. California medical staff under fire after giving vaccinations to relatives after at least 2 hospitals were left with extra doses, according to the Orange County Register. Meanwhile, in Texas, Houston having their first public vaccine event this weekend. Houston's mayor saying 250,000 people called the health department, but only 750 appointments were available. The chance to get vaccinated bringing one Houston resident to tears.
I'm really sorry. I just want to get back to life. You know, I just want to get back to normal. I want to see my kids. I want to go back to work.
Meanwhile, California, Texas, Florida, and just yesterday, New York, all states hitting 1 million COVID cases, with Illinois on track to be next. And for many who do get the virus, the recovery can be a long road.
I was on a ventilator for 32 days. To me, it was just like one day I fell asleep and then I woke up and was told I missed 32 days.
Phil Cherney from North Dakota was transferred to rehab in neighboring South Dakota, but making it home in time for the holidays. His family grateful.
Our community rallied behind us, and I think without faith in them, we would have never got through all this.
Back out here, Cedars-Sinai, a source close to Larry King's family telling ABC News that he has fought through many health issues the last few years. He is fighting through this one, too. But they add he is a champ. Eva?
Zohreen Shah for us. Thank you.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.